Hello, welcome to the Great Wolf Lodge video. This is just an amalgamation of pictures and videos that I took while we were at Great Wolf Lodge. This was actually from towards the end of our stay. As you can see, Eden is in Holy Lantern. We twinned it to go shopping. I was very excited. But I thought a little film of the lobby would be really cool because the decoration in the hotel is so on theme and it's so good. This is the outside of Great Wolf Lodge, that's the water park, and then the main hotel area with the big Great Wolf statue. I did take another photo of this. So yeah, that's basically the front. There's lots of space to get taxis and cars and stuff, and that pavilion was really nice. This was the walk from the shops that were very near the hotel back to the hotel. I really love the light around here so much that there's a lot of videos just of roads. I mean, like, a lot of videos of roads. Also, there was a 7-Eleven right there, just waiting for me to make Heather's references about. So the hotel was themed for Halloween, and I prepared this by taking Metamorphose's dress print. Voyage in Memory, not Nameless Poem, what am I saying? That's my own disapproving face there. We got to meet Brinley, who was one of the hotel mascots, who got really excited about my dress that had wolves on it. This was just another vintage-y fit that I wore. I wore a lot of vintagey outfits. Okay, I'm absolutely obsessed with birds of paradise and I wish they grew naturally in the UK. I'm not giving any more explanation about these cursed images other than that's... She got renamed Stanson Kitty because she was Stanson. And, yeah, shenanigans. Shenanigans. I'm gonna go get wet. Yes, as we can tell, we've come to the water park part. I absolutely love the fact that we got to stay in a hotel with a water park. As you can tell, I absolutely loved it. One of the great things is that they did have, I think it was Bucket's Incredible Cravables, which did so much food, and that was me struggling to eat a family portion of fries because they were so big. Some chairs, because that's an important thing to take a photograph of and include in your vlog, Steph. This is explained simply by the fact that every time the wave pool goes off, it goes "Ow!" This slide contraction was possibly one of the brightest, because it was small and there. Also, on an evening, the spinny dome thing lit up. Do not know why this is in the water park bit. It's just chillin'. Appreciate my cup. Back in the hotel room. We were watching JoJo's. Because why not? It was on. And yeah, on the last day we went to the water park for one last time, and we were really lucky that it actually opened up the outside, which I hadn't seen the rest of the trip. But you know what? Yeah, this was us waiting for a shuttle that never turned up. I might do a story time just on that. Anyway, thank you for watching this. I rambled a bit, but that's what you expect with this channel. See you next time!